Hi everybody, this is Johanna, and I'm going to share a technique that I use in my teaching that is directly related to what I do in the classroom. And this technique is called the test, teach, and try technique. And this is something that I often do to see how much my students know and to make it more interactive in class. So often I would test the students to see how much they know. So for example, if I'm teaching something called adverbs of frequency, I would dictate the following words. So I would dictate the word never, sometimes, always, rarely, and often. And then I would ask the students, can you put them in, here I'm testing, can you put them in order from 0 frequency to 100% frequency? So then the students I would be testing them to see how much they know, and I would say, let's start with never at the bottom, always at the top, and then we would go to never, I would say rarely, sometimes, and often. And then I would just check in to see, yep, now that looks good. How can we use it? And then I would go into a teach mode. So the teach mode, I would say that these are always before or after a verb. Most often, it's before a verb. So the verb would go here, except if the verb is be, and the verb be would go here. For example, I am always happy. So the am would be the be verb. But then if I go, I always smile, then smile is the verb and the adverb goes before. So then I would teach that lesson, and then I would want to check to see how much my students have learned. So I would go to the try. So here we go. Normally I would have a sentence, and then I would get the students to put one of the words in there, and that's the try. The try just means to practice. So I would say the students speak French in class. How often do I think the students speak French in class? I would say rarely. Okay, I am available on Mio. How frequent am I available on Mio? I would say I'm always available on Mio. So then they would have to put the correct word in the sentence. So that's his one try method. And then I would just go on. I have to find a word. Eat French fries. I sometimes eat French fries. She always loves cats. And he is, let's say, never late for class. And that is the method that I use in class. That's what I wanted to teach you and share with you today. It is the test, teach, try method. Thank you.